Chelsea, my son come back, I'll go up on the road quickly. But where my key there? Chelsea! Oh my god! When you use my key to put it back on the tabletop.
But I put it back there.
But it not did it.
But mom, I put it back
So
there.
you sit down there, me can't find my key, or I find you, help me find you know? So are you take my key, you know? Or I find you, man?
I put it back there.
Come back from my shop, put my key yasso, and she didn't put it yasso, right? And she go tell me say she put it there so. If you did put it there so, me wanna see it. Me wanna see it, don't. Right? Hurry up and find my key, man. Right? Me don't know why you take for me key and you have for your key. Right? I know me can't find for me one. I wanna so. Come take my key and can't find it. Now where my key there? Where my key there? Me don't understand how you use my key and you not put it back where you have to put it back. How you feel do that? You know, say you have a car key pan there, the house key pan there, the work key pan there. How want make you do that? Shama, me not like them things that you know. You sure you bring it back in and you left it out there? Me don't know what they pan for your head so. Sure. Oh. Chelsea. Me find my key. You want anything when I come back?
No, I don't want anything.
Alright, well, me cook so.
Right.
Help yourself when you're ready, alright?
See you
Soon
later.
come. See you later.
Bye.